Hi, and this is my Speed Cube Pyraminx. They're not magnets on the outside. You see them like this. And I'm going to teach you how to do a super flip on it. First, I'm going to teach you how to do the super flip. There are two different variations of doing the super flip. It will always turn out as one. The second one is a bit better, or you can take it as 1-2 or 2-1. I'm going to do the easy one first. Do R prime L U. R prime L U. R prime L U. Here's the first way, where all three edges are flipped. So you may be wondering, these are not the edges, these are the centers. They're stuck in the middle of the cube. But actually they're not. People might be thinking, they're all edges. They're all outside the puzzle. It's not a 5x5 Pyraminx or Professor Pyraminx, which only some brands make. Or some people just give them random names. Here is one variation. The other variation can be turned into this by turning the tips. Here is the Pyraminx super flip. Start on the same side you had it before. Here's how you solve it. Do the tips. First, solve the tips. Then do this. And your Pyraminx super flip is now solved. Now, I'm going to show you different ways you can hold a Pyraminx where you see different colors and ways. One way is just holding it with your right or left hand. I'm better at holding Rubik's Cubes with my right hand, if it's this variation. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Please subscribe for more fun learning videos. Say bye to my baby sister Noor.